Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create a GA4 account and then connect it with your WordPress website. So this is going to be exact step-by-step guide for you. So make sure to follow it and let's jump into it. So first of all, we will create a new Google Analytics account. Go to if you have an existing account, you will see this page. You have to come over to the settings, and from here you have to start creating an account. But in this case, if you don't have any Google Analytics account, you will see a landing page. From here you have to click on start now and you will be landed to this page. So from here we'll be on the same board. So you have to enter your Google Analytics account name here. In my case, I will write my agency name, which is Charges. In next case, you will be account data sharing setting. So make sure to read this out and select the things that align with your business goals and your policies. So I will be letting what is already selected here, and I will click on next. The next thing is we will enter our property details. This would be George's website. Okay, you can enter any name that would be your business name or anything best. It depends on you. You have to select your country. In my case, it's Pakistan. Let's select Pakistan, and we'll select our currency as well. So this is most crucial in case if you have an e-commerce website, so it's more crucial in this case. Pakistani rupee, and let me click next. You have to enter your business detail here. So let me just other business activity and small here. Let's click on next. Okay, this is the main crucial part here. If you track leads for your business, you have to select the leads here. But if you select if you are an e-commerce website which is going to track sales as well, you can select sales as well. But in this case, I'm not going to track sales, so I will let as it is, and I will select the traffic and user engagement because I want to track the traffic and the user engagement and retention as well. So let's click on create, and our analytics will be created. You have to select this thing here and click on accept. So our Google Analytics account will be created here. So I have a website. In this case, I will select web here and enter my website URL. So I will write my website URL here, and let me just write the name here and create and continue. Okay, this will show us our stream here, which is basically our website stream. We have to click on here to see the details of our stream. In the last video, I have shown you how you can connect your GTM account with your WordPress website. If you haven't watched it, make sure to watch it and then continue watching this. So let's just close this and we will see this screen. In here we have our measurement ID. So we will use this to connect our GA4 with our website. We'll go to Google Tag Manager here and we'll create a new tag here. So we'll click on new tag, select Google Analytics here and Google Tag from the options. So you have to paste the copied ID here. I'm pasting it here, and in triggering you have to fire it on all pages. Select all pages here. You have to just name it. I will name it GA4 code or whatever you can name this. Hit save and our tag will be saved. So in your case, if you have any cache plugin on your website, make sure to clear this before you test the website the installation. So let me just clear this thing here and it will be cleared. Next thing, I will submit this. You can write in description. I will continue this. So now I will open Google Analytics and see whether it's working on my website or not. Just click this. Okay, it's open. Let's click on install manually and see whether it's working on our website or not. So Google tag is not detected on your website. It's saying this. Let's retest, refresh our website and come here again. And click on test. You can see the tag is correctly found on our website. So let's go back and see whether we have received any traffic, as we have sent one traffic here. Let's just refresh it again and see whether we will get any traffic here. Click on next, continue to home, and as you can see, we have started collecting data. Your data collection is active and we have got one real-time user here. So that's it, guys. It's that simple. If you want to do it for your Shopify or any other website, you can follow the same exact step, but the thing is you must have Google Tag Manager installed on your website. So if you have a problem with Google Tag Manager installation or need help, you can contact me through my website, which the link is given below in the description. If you have any other question that I can help you with, make sure to make a comment and I will reply to you in my comments. Thank you and nice day.